Adobe Photoshop text grain effect free tutorial. Drop a like if this helps. Let's go. Want to learn how passive income works? Click the link down below. It's quite simple. Let's say you have a picture or image or a photo and you'd like to add a grain or the text effect. If you click on T on your keyboard, it's going to bring up the text tool. If you click, hold, and drag, you can now see we're adding text on the screen. Feel free to mess around with the different settings of your choice. And now as you can see, we have text on the screen. If you'd like to add a free noise effect, go to filter, click noise, add noise, convert this to a smart object or rasterize. As you can see, this is the before and that's the after. If you drag this to the right, notice how it's adding more noise to our text. Click OK. You can do the same thing with your picture or image. Go back to filter, add noise, completely for free in Adobe Photoshop CC, or should I say this is the before and this is the after.